Hi everyone. Today I'm demonstrating Secure Safe PAM, a comprehensive privileged access management platform I've developed. This system addresses one of the cybersecurity biggest challenges like controlling and monitoring high risk administrative actions. So basically, we are navigated to our system. So we basically copy the IP, global IP and placed here. So here the what's make this system special basically the real-time threat detection using machine learning and automated incident response with session termination and the role-based access control for different privilege levels and the complete audit compliance with detailing login and enterprise ready architecture with auth integration. Okay, let's start with authentication. Notice this clean professional login interface using auth 2.0 with Google integration. Okay, we are click the signing with Google. Okay, now we are can see these are the two users for the testing purpose we created. So basically one users we click and navigated in their privileged access portal successfully. They access to their user portal. Okay, welcome to the heart of our system, the live security dashboard. Let me walk you through these critical matrices. Okay, you can see the active sessions. It's like the currently showing the authenticated private users in enterprises. This could be the dozen or 100 administrators. So, and the critical alerts mean the real-time count of high-risk security events. Notice it's currently zero. That's absurd, about to change. And the total anomalies is any action scoring about our medium risk threshold get the flag here. And basically the system health, the overall platform status including the database connectivity and the processing capabilities. And they show the sidebar navigation. The navigation gives us the access to the session management, uh, the detailing the alerts, and the system configurations. So basically, but what the makes the truly powerful is this real time processing. Okay, in the see this green live indicator, dashboard update every 3 seconds. Processing logs in the real time, no batch processing delays. Threads are detected immediately. On the right, we have our compressive event log. Every single privilege access get the recorded with timestamps, uh, user context, and the risk assessment. This isn't just login; it's intelligent security monitoring. Okay, now let's see the system in action. I will access the privilege portal where the administrator perform the high risk operation. Okay, we are navigated in the portal. Notice now the interface adapted based on my role as a database administrator. I see database specific controls. The network engineer would be see the completely different options. That's role based access control in action. Okay, let's start with some routing administrative tasks. Uh, Connecting to our database, our staging database. Notice how even this basic connection get logged and analyzed. Uh, we connecting the production users DB and switch to the dashboard, and you can see the immediately login. Look at the immediate login. The system recorded the database connection with risk score 40. That's considered the low risk during the business hours from a local IP address. Okay, let me run a standard query. Okay, we are running the selected query to view the employee data. Okay, now navigate for the dashboard. Uh, you can see, okay, now updated. you can see that another event log with risco 45. The system understands this is the normal administrative activity. So but watch what happens what we move to high risk operation. Okay, and now I perform the backup operation. Still routing maintains. So like we are backup the production user database, and we click here, and after that you can see the backup log with score 50. It's still acceptable, but here the we things it get interesting. Okay, let's me demonstrate the what happens when the an administrator or compromised account start the performing the dangerous operation. Like we are navigating the once again access portal. I'm going to delete the critical database table in the real environment. This could destroy customer data, financial record, or system configuration. So I am uh, delete the users database table. And okay, you can see the water dashboard, the critical alert risk score 95, maximum threat level, the counter jump, and we have our first critical event. You can see how the critical alert counter pulse in red. That's immediately visual notification of security event. So but here the intelligent, let me trigger another high risk action. Okay, then we delete the customer database table and immediately go to the dashboard, and you can see uh, the other critical alert. The system is now detecting the pattern of the destructive behavior, but watch what happened next. Okay, so you can see the access denied. The system automatically revoked my portal access after the deleting multiple critical risk actions. This is automated threat response in action. So the professional, the clear messaging explain what happened. The session has been terminated. Incident is logged. The an administrator has been notified. You can see the portal access revoked database admin. This prevents insider threats and the limit the damage from the compromised account. And you can see also the critical strikes are the detailing the user email and the role and the login time also in the privilegation management. It means like the each user get the track for the high risk behavior after they exceeding the threshold configurable by the security policy. The access get automatically revoked. The alert panel provides the detail in the forensic information. The every event with complex context timestamps, uh, user role, specific action, and the risk assessment. This is the what compliance auditors and incident response teams need. You can see the notice the progression. The normal activities are the low score. Their patterns destructive behavior that trigger the automated response. So the create the clear timeline for the incident investigation. Okay, now I'm moving to the advanced configuration tab. So basically, the security, what makes this enterprise ready is the configurability. Let me show the settings panel. The security administrator can adjust the threshold based on their organization risk tolerance, and the medium, high, and the critical threshold fully configurable. Uh, configurable. So conservative, the organization might set theirs lower, while the development environment might be the permissive. So the session management policies are the equally flexible. So now I'm showing the session management settings and the maximum strike count before access revocation, session timeout policies, and all configurable and the immediately effective. The system also provide the comprehensive uh, health monitoring. Okay, we are running the system health check. Okay, the you can see the real-time status of the all system components, database connectivity, log processing, machine learning models, and the system resources. This ensure that the security monitoring itself uh, is secure and operational. And also the log management, we can get the export the logs what are the we are in doing the earlier, so we can export the logs also, and the clear, we can also have the option to clear all logs for the new getting the for the new logs, and clear the all logs means you can delete the permanently before you doing their log analysis. So basically we can get the 13 days, we can configure the as we can choices, and the log information also the can we customize for the can get the all events standard, the warning like the medium risk, and the errors like the high risk only. So and after that we are configuring these all things, we can save the all the configure and changes, and we have to manually refresh. uh, so these are the mainly system configuration dashboard. We can see the alert notification settings are the future works, because we the basically we this working like the if getting the critical alert, the user will be getting the mail, uh, they are doing critical thing in the privilege access management. Okay, behind the scenes the system demonstrate the several advanced technologies, like briefly the terminal showing the watcher .py running. So the real-time processing with intelligent event correction. The system uses machine learning, especially the isolation forest algorithm to identify the anomalous behavior patterns. The architecture is built for the scale, like uh, the RESTful API designed for the integration with extended enterprise tool, like Auth 2.0 for enterprise authentication standards. The real-time WebSockets update for the immediate thread notifications, and the configurable alert channels including email and stack uh, integrations, the completely audit login for the compliance frameworks like the SOX, HIP, AA, HIPAA, and the PSIDSS standards compliance frameworks. So showing the settings audit log briefly, the event configurations changes are logged and tracked. They ensure the completely accountability and the compliance with regulatory requirements. So this system addresses the real business challenges the organization using the privilege access management. See 60% reduction in security incidents from insider threats, and automated compliance with regulatory requirements, immediate threat detection instead of the discovering breaches month later, reduce the investigation real time with detailed audit trails. So the total of cost includes the data breach averagely $4.5 million. The system uh, prevent those breaches for stopping the malicious activities before that occurs, whether the protecting the customer data, financial systems, or critical infrastructure. The privilege access management isn't option; it is essential. So return to the main dashboard like this. The This is the being the secure, safe PAM, intelligent, automated, enterprise-ready privilege access management. The combination of real-time monitoring, machine learning, threat detection, and the automated incident response provide the security modern organization require. Thank you so much for watching, and remember remember cybersecurity prevention is always better than recovery. Thank you.